for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, trip computer, fog lights, compass, security system, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, power windows, heated front seats, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.